These CSS tricks have changed the way I write code. Not just because they're really powerful, but also because they have good browser support, which is actually very unusual for these CSS tricks videos, because a lot of them rely on shiny new properties you can't fully use yet. But in this video, I made sure that every trick will work in all major browsers. Tip number 1, pop-ups that open and close without JavaScript. Here's the idea. First, you add the popover attribute to an HTML element. This is now a pop-up. You can open and close it using a button. Here, you have to add the popover target attribute. This will point to your element using the element's ID. Make sure these strings match exactly. Now, these two elements are connected. So you can already click on the button to open and close this popover. There's no CSS and no JavaScript needed. This is an HTML-only trick. You can also close the pop-up by pressing anywhere outside or with escape on the keyboard. And all of that makes it already pretty accessible. But this trick will become even more powerful when you combine it with tip number 2, anchor positioning. In CSS, the button will have an anchor name. Here, you define a name just like you would with custom properties, --my button. On the menu, you need position absolute and use the position anchor property to connect it to your button. Here you assign that exact anchor name we just defined, so they have to match exactly. And when we have that, we can use the position area property to position the menu relative to the button. You can use all sorts of combinations with the values start, end, center, or top, bottom, left, right. The values you see on the screen are popular choices for dropdowns. I like to use bottom, span right. That way it is directly below the button with the left edges aligning, so that if the content grows, the menu spans to the right. This is already a functioning dropdown menu. It is anchored to the button and all the other CSS styles work just as you would expect.